different prior art search like a public domain databases, advertisements, books, magazines, newspapers, right, TV, everything means all these things you can just explore and you can do the prior art search. Let us move further and we can just see here the different parts of a patent document, right. So, it is like it is a structured document. Patent document is a structured document. You take a US patent, you take a India patent, you take a maybe patent from Aripo or Europe. The structure is very much fixed, just like our research paper. So, what exactly it contains, you can just check here. Field of invention is there, abstract is there, drawings are there, background, summary of invention, then there is drawings are there, then you are giving a in-depth description about that drawings, then there is a examples if any are there, best methods if are there, you are giving that, and then the last is like a claims, which we call it as a heart of a patent, that legal boundaries are decided by the claim. So, this is a structure. In roadmap we have like invested 1